Well, me again. There's my other project, the H quad setup for FPV. It will be for literally bashing and crashing around. As I have my little mini hex for FPV, but that's kind of like my Sunday Ferrari, and I don't want to crash it there as I started flying more aggressive. So I built this one. Make sure I won't be crying that much when I crash. So here's the materials: the 10x10 aluminum booms, fiberglass 1.6 PCB plate, all the frame glued together there, very strong. Nanotech 3M battery, that's a battery for my GoPro LiPo buzzer. KK2 board, my favorite board at the moment. That's my Futaba system. Model finder as well, as I like to end it up in trees sometimes. Mini SD 5.10 gigahertz FPV system. That's a video filter here to reduce the noise interference to the video system, so I can get the power for the video from the main battery, so I don't need a separate battery. Using 8x4.5 props. Motors are Turnigy 2822 1450 kV. Speed controllers, they actually inside, you can barely see them. There's a Hobby King Blue Series 20 amps. It's a bit overkill, but that's the one that I had. The landing gear plastic, it's from the gutter pipe, serves well the purpose. Now GoPro mount, what I did here, it's the plate sits on a silicone tubing from the nitro engines, and on top on the plate there's a double-sided sticky tape and a little rubber on top. No jello at all. I was flying this already. As you can see, there's one. The front boom is drilled for Enlighten, and the second one is not, because that one was replaced after a good crash. I'll include a video later on. You will see that the view has no jello at all. So very happy about this. Hovers at 50% throttle. 8x4.5 props on these motors is it's the very maximum I can say, because when it flies the motors, it gets a bit warmer. The more weight you put on the copter, the warmer the motor gets. I will try APC 8x4 later on. With these props, without GoPro and FPV gear, just a naked quad, with that 3M Nanotech battery, I got 19 minutes of easy hovering. So very happy about this. With all this gear, it still hovers at 50% throttle. So let's check what we have here. We have 838 grams. Good enough. We'll see how much of a flying time will I have now. Next step we'll be doing FPV loops. Right, so there it is.
Okay.
Ja, čia dedė radiją, buvo didelis boom. No, press the button. Daddy will press the button.
Alright.
It was a good crash. No damage at all. I thought I will have nothing left in there. Let's clean up the lens and go up again. One leg broken. No big deal. Not for these winds flying. It'll do for today.